In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stylish and professional lower third on CapCut. Lower thirds are essential for delivering additional information without distracting from the main content, and they can really enhance the quality of your videos. So let's dive in step by step. First things first, open up CapCut and navigate to the text option. You'll find it quite conveniently positioned within the app's interface. Give it a click and select Add Text. This is where you'll be entering the crucial part of your lower third, which is the text itself. This could be anything from titles, names, or any relevant information you wish to include. Now, once you've clicked Add Text, think about the wording carefully. Keep it concise and clear, since the whole point of a lower third is to communicate quickly and effectively. Next, after you've added your text, position it near the bottom of the screen. This is traditionally where lower thirds are placed, ensuring they remain prominent yet out of the main focal area of your video. You want it to be easy for viewers to read while still enjoying the visual content. Take a moment to adjust the positioning until it feels just right. Now let's add some flair to it. To truly make your text stand out and enhance readability, incorporate a semi-transparent rectangle behind it. You can easily find this by heading over to Elements or Shapes within CapCut. The rectangle acts as a subtle background that ensures your text is legible regardless of the underlying visuals. Adjust the transparency to strike a good balance where the text pops, but the rectangle doesn't draw too much attention away from your video content. Once you've styled your lower third, it's time to group these elements. This includes both the text and the shape you added. Grouping them allows you to apply animations uniformly, ensuring they appear harmonious and cohesive when introduced or removed from your video. Speaking of animations, consider styles such as slide or fade for the in and out animations. These are smooth and professional, adding a touch of sophistication without being over the top. Finally, take a moment to adjust the duration of your lower third. This is a crucial step toward ensuring it looks polished and professional. You want it to stay on screen long enough for viewers to absorb the information, but not so long that it overstays its welcome. Aim for a balance that complements the pacing and flow of your video content. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an attractive lower third with CapCut. Use these steps to enhance the professionalism and clarity of your video content, making it more engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.